All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. My boy drove over 20 hours from PA down to Texas for Texas 2K. He came here a little early in the Supra, downpipe tune, E-blend joint. We're about to head out to a little late night car meet, typical Texas fashion. Don't know what's gonna go down tonight, but probably gonna be a chill night. You're gonna see this car on the channel a lot. Man, super, man. I like Mark 5s as well. It's like straight sleeper mode. Like, it looks bone stock. Like, it literally looks stock.
Damn, here is stock.
Stock wheels. Just on a tire though, that's it. We gotta get our cars detailed, but this should be a pretty interesting night. Man, I gotta get my car detailed too. Dirty as hell. People already acting up. I think that was McLaren back over there, honestly.
Yeah, Lambo.
Yeah, if I was McLaren over there, the dealership's right over there.
Definitely Lamb.
But we about to head out, see what's going on at this little meet. And I got you. And we'll go from there, y'all. All right, y'all, we out. We about to see what this meet's all about. It's actually kind of close.
Turn right onto North Freeway Service Road.
Joint is not as far as I thought.
In 3/4 of a mile, keep left to merge onto I-45 South.
We about to see what's popping. First time going to this meet for the both of us, so that should be pretty dope. Should be pretty dope. Man, it is cold, bro. It is cold. I don't know what happened, bro. We got hit with a cold front. It's gonna be cold literally this whole week. I hope it warms up because it is freezing. Let me tell you, it is absolutely freezing out here in Houston. I don't know what went down, but last week it was 80. It's going back to 30 at night. It's gonna be like, it's already like 49. It's in the 40s again. It's gonna be super cold, man. But that is good for the cars. I'm definitely gonna drag the car, I believe tomorrow night, to see what it can do. And then we're gonna pulley down 11 pounds, see what it can do. And then we'll have some fun at Texas 2K. Hopefully get some runs, and I do want to set up like a small little get together with some, you know, local fellas that I know. Have some fun runs, nothing serious, just to go ahead and test out the cars and see where everybody's at, where everyone can improve. And we're gonna go from there. Like, what is going on?
One eternity later.
All right, well, we are gonna be pulling up relatively shortly. Never been to this location before, so I have no idea what to expect. I don't even know if it's in a good parking lot, if it's like in a small parking lot, because if it's in like a small ass lot, then...
At the traffic lights, turn right onto West Montgomery Road.
Y'all know exactly where I'm gonna be parking. In the back.
In 1.2 miles, make a U-turn at Wavell Street. In 1 mile, make a U-turn at Wavell Street.
My pulley is making some noise, ladies and gentlemen. Every time it gets cold, it starts making that like ringing noise. New belts and everything on the car too. get hit, he'll go away, which doesn't make any sense. Trying to figure out where this place is at, ladies and gentlemen.
Continue straight on, then use the left lane to make a U-turn at Wavell Street.
I think it's like right there.
Use the left lane to make a U-turn at Wavell Street, then turn right into the car park.
Spun so bad. Woo! I spun so bad. Holy shit. All right, it is the next day. Supras are clean, man. All right, we are back on the road. Got the Supra behind me. I was honestly not expecting this car to spin last night the way it did with the ET Street Rs. I mean, that road that we were on, that was actually like the old spot I used to hit when dragging the black 2 valve, but obviously that car didn't make as much power, and I was left in 3rd gear, and it always would hook up. Like, only time I spun on that road when it was like, I think like 20 something degrees and the ground was a little bit damp, which is understandable. But ET Street Rs at this, I was actually kind of surprised. And I had advanced track turned off all the way, obviously, and like everything kind of like flashed, like the stability and whatnot. So that's kind of, it was kind of concerning. Probably do a little hit up here. Hopefully there is no traffic.
One eternity later.
hooked up that time. We just got some groceries. We need to go to Best Buy. Damn, it's cold, guys. I don't know why it's this cold. They say 50, it literally feels like it's 40. Like, we're both from like northern states. This is terrible. Like, it's cold as fuck out here, guys. I was trying to tell him, I was like, hey man, look, even though we're not from the south, this 50, 45 degree weather, it does not feel like how it does back home. Like, it's real bad, real bad. Whew. I gotta be careful. Whew. Smell that E85.